And welcome everybody. We have some more rain on the way, seeing a little increase in cloud cover out here on our Wednesday. So rain's moving in throughout the course of the overnight tonight even, and then into the day tomorrow. Have a couple rounds with it. Looks like the first one through about lunch hour, and then they could have a few isolated storms that develop later on in the afternoon and evening and quickly move on by. So the rain could be moderate in a few locales. So looking at the potential of up to an inch in a few isolated spots, but generally speaking, around a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Temperatures are going to remain cool. There's still a chance at a few drips out here on Friday and Saturday, just sort of on the backside, some wraparound moisture. But it's this front that's moving in here that's going to bring us some showers. So the temps will be a little milder with the rain. Technically, there is a marginal threat. We could have some hail out of an isolated cell in the later part of the afternoon and evening, or maybe some gusty winds, but no tornadoes or anything of that sort, okay? So just put that to rest. There's no spin in the atmosphere with this. These storms, a little instability out ahead of a front, and again, kind of your hail producer, perhaps, if we do see that even. And again, some moderate downpours. So there we are into 9 a.m., 10 a.m., right on through the lunch hour. That first wave moves by. Things kind of quiet down, and then we start to see those thunderstorms bubbling up after some daytime heating. And that's where we could have, again, maybe some hail or a gusty wind out of a cell briefly. But then we go into the overnight, things kind of settle down again. Once again, rainfall amounts around a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch, but I can't rule out a couple strips, very fine, very narrow, where we see up to about an inch. Shouldn't do much as far as any additional flooding is concerned. We don't have any excessive rainfall outlooks or anything of that sort. We'll see overnight lows a little warmer in the upper 40s, up to around 63. Wind won't be much of an issue either. 49 for a high Friday, keeping it cool through the first part of the weekend, then warming up early next week.